Hey everybody, Renee here. I am seeing a lot of things in the Offer Lab community about how to create bitch pages. Let me do a tutorial and show you how easy it is to create a bridge page. I'm going to show you from ClickFunnels how to create a bridge funnel, how quick it can be, and I'll do this in less than 15 minutes so that you can get people to the offers that you're promoting as an affiliate. First of all, this is a ClickFunnels dashboard. And let's get into it. ClickFunnels is awesome. They're giving away 90 days for only 97 bucks. It's usually 97 bucks a month, but they'll give you 3 months for the price of 1 month, which is basically $97. So if nothing else, you can learn how to get in here, create a funnel, attach your affiliate offer, and start selling. First of all, create a funnel. We would start here. What's great about ClickFunnels is that they have easy buttons, I call them. So these are different kinds of funnels. We have lead funnels, unboxing funnels, presentation funnels, phone funnels, other funnels. Look what we got here. Bridge funnels.
A lot of people don't even know what a bridge funnel is. Bridge funnel is one of my favorite funnels if you're selling somebody else's product. Let's say you're in a network marketing opportunity. A bridge funnel is a way to increase the conversions of everything you sell. Or maybe you're an affiliate for somebody else's product or service and you don't have control of the website you're sending somebody to. A bridge funnel gives you the ability to have some control over that and also follow up with the customers you're sending to them. Let me show you how it works inside of your business.
ClickFunnels, every funnel comes with an explanation and a strategy and how to implement it. Russell explained what a bridge funnel is and why you would need it. It is a 2-page funnel, which is an opt-in. Give them something for free for joining, for getting on the list, and then the page that explains the offer that you're presenting or that you're attaching to the bridge funnel. It's like a pre-frame. I've gone through each of these funnels. They give you different templates. This is the one for me that I'm using for the bridge funnel I'm building. So this is how easy it is. Click the button. It's going to download the funnel into your account. Give it a sec. Keep in mind, inside ClickFunnels, everything inside ClickFunnels is free inside of the platform, including trainings. So there's no extra charge for anything. It's an all-in-one platform. So we've installed that template of a high converting bridge funnel. Now it's time to edit it. So first of all, you want to call this what you want to call it. So you go into settings. I'm going to change it to Offer Lab Bridge. For me, because I'm going to delete this afterwards, test. Make sure you save that there. You can use your domain. If you want to add a new domain, call it something else. You can add a new domain straight from here. I think you can actually purchase a domain from here. Right now it's in test mode, but when you get ready to put it live, you put live there. Make sure you update the funnel. Bam. Step 1, we have named the funnel. Second, we need to edit the funnel. So it is a 2-page funnel, remember? So you put your little information about whatever funnel. I'm going to make this funnel for the Offer Lab certification program. I would come up with some kind of lead magnet that would get people to join the list. Then I would, on page 2, I would talk about the Offer Lab certification, and then the link to the Offer Lab certification would go right in the forward button. So right here is where you would put your link. So let's go back and start building out the funnel. To not copy and paste information, you want to make sure that it's customized for what you're doing. And also you want to make it not look like AI stuff. So let's get started. I am going to give a value document, probably called the 8 ways to make money and the 8 plays to sell, to promote offers on OfferLab. So we are going to go to chat And I'm using chat. I would hope that you guys would know that you need to customize the information received, but let's get started. We're going to go to my offer lab. I have a lot of stuff prompted in here. So, first of all, obviously you got a subheadline, a headline, a subheadline, some information you could put here. Let's go back to chat. Chat, I want to promote the Offer Lab certification program as an affiliate. Please help me to create the bridge page. Keep in mind, I would definitely do more fine tuning of this, but this is just for demonstration purposes. It gives you an outline. So I'm going to go here, Control C. This is how easy it is. I'm going to make this, see how easy it is? I need to add a row because I want a headline to, let's move, oh, that's a 2. I need to add it right there. I want this to be a headline, so let's do this. So, the new way to buy and sell offers online before everyone else catches on. Because you want to give a, hold on. There you go. This is how easy it is to change images out. I got tons of Offer Lab stuff in here already. So let's see if I can find some Offer Lab images. Now, these are images I already have in here. If you don't have images in your account already, you just upload them in this. Okay. So see how that changed that picture out? There we go. Okay, we'll put that there. I think it was, all of these are great. There we go. This one here I like to use a lot. But yeah. So Offer Lab, this is just the beginning. More. Let's go back to getting this page set up. I want to add in here, I am creating a lead magnet called 8 power. So what I did is I said that I'm going to be using a lead magnet called 8 power plays to make money with Offer Lab. Funnel flow. All right, so let's start with, can you, now that I put that in there, can you give me the copy for the opt-in page? Opt-in. Discover 8 power plays to make money with Offer Lag even if you don't have an offer yet. Blam. Perfect. Next one. We need a subheadline. Let's put that there. Control C. Okay, that looks good. I want to change this. So let's go back in chat, ask for a subheadline. Discover. I did that. 5 more subheadlines. I don't want to make that smaller. So let's do that. Discover. I'm going to take that out. That looks better. Okay, and then I need a button text. So see how I'm going? I'm just going through each of them. Please give me 5. I use button text when I prompt ask it to make click to benefit button text. Click to benefit button text. So what it does is when the messaging will be a benefit focused messaging. So they're going to give me 5. I always say 5 so I can pick 1 or 2. Show me the 8 power plays. Yes, I want to start. I'm going to go with show me the 8 power plays. So you just hit that, blam, put it right there. Let's take that out of there. That doesn't need to be there. And we'll take that out for now. Okay, so it's going to go opens pop-up. So let's save that. So let's say we got the first page. I am going to, now it does have, the funnel is larger than that. It does have this. I'm going to put that in later where I put a mock-up and stuff like that. Click the button, let's get started, blah, blah, blah. But for now, I'm going to delete it. Let's say you put ambitious endeavors. Let's see, right there. So I'm going to put my logo in there. Why didn't that go in there? That's weird. So make sure you fill out your company information. There we go. Just took a minute. So that's good enough. Let's make that smaller. Okay, so I don't want to get into the details of design. I just want to show you how to create a bridge page. So you have the first page. This right here, it says go to pop up. Keep in mind, we want people to opt in. So we're going to show the pop up stuff. Let's make it simple. Go to ClickFunnels to chat. Let me move this. Now I am creating the pop up. So I'm asking it to give me the copy for the pop up. Usually I would do this on my own, but for sake of time, I'm just showing you what chat can help you do. So certification, because the next page is going to be directed to the certification. This right here is tell me where you want me to send your thing. I would add in a couple more other steps, but for now, all we're trying to get is their contact information. That's all we're doing with this. We're going to make this smaller. See how you go to the editing, you can quickly fix everything. Let's bold this. You want the name and email address, phone number. Those are all things I would want. I'm going to remove that because all I really want. And then I'm going to tell it this one, unlock my free guide. Those are click to benefit, but you put it right there, Control V, and then I'm going to delete that. And I'll leave that there. Okay, so let's save that. Now you've collected and it submits the form. When it submits, you want to make sure you can always change that. But what I wanted to do is submit it. What it does is submits all their contact information to ensure that it is in your CRM. So we did page one. Now, obviously, I would do more with this, but just for the sake of time, I'm showing you how to. So before you go, you got to create page two. Now, page two, I would have a video right here explaining the Offer Lab certification program. So I would create a video and put it here. Keep in mind the strategy that Russell teaches is to make 5 videos that can be unlocked. Just make a bridge page. This is a page that's going to take them to the Offer Lab certification. But before we go, I am working on the actual bridge page that goes to the Offer Lab program. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because the first thing you should do anytime somebody is getting something that they opted into, you want to let them know that they received it. So I am going to add an element, which is a subheadline. Your 8 power plays are on the way. I'm going to go with that one. I need to bring it down. Okay. So I want to make this noticeable. I can do little tricks that I like to do. Make it animated. Do this. Add some animation. So let's preview the animation. Okay. Your 8 power plays are on their way to your email. But here's how to actually make them work. That's good. I like that. Okay, you can add all this, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for a quick bridge page. Headlines addressing pain. I'm going to go with this one, struggling to get eyes on your business. Control. You just replace the prompt with what their biggest issue is. Now, keep in mind, this right here will be a video that you create that will talk about why Offer Lab certification or your offer, whatever it is good and what they need it for. We're going to change this button messaging. There we go. Give me 5 click to benefit button. Text. Yes, enroll me. I'm ready to get certified. Take me to Offer Lab certification. Show me how to earn while I learn inside Offer Lab. Join the Offer Lab and unlock fast track. That one's even better. Click to benefit. I put that there. Keep in mind the template. You just add in what you have. You can add bonuses, but for now, all I'm trying to do is get them. Okay, that's that. bonus number one, obviously, is platform access. Weekly coaching calls with Russell and Doug. Then you write messaging about what's in the OfferLab community. You get a higher commission bonus. And then you explain what it is, 2 to 3% of 100% of all OfferLab certifications you set up. I'm just, for the sake of time, going to clone this button and move it down here so I don't have to keep putting in the parameters that I put in here and delete this one. See how easy this stuff is? Join OfferLab to unlock my fast track path, or whatever that says. Let's do this. See how you can move everything up, make things, change colors. You could change a color of the button text just by going down here. Maybe you don't like the blue. Bam. You could change it to red, let's just say. Okay, see how you can do that? See how easy that was? Okay. Then you could tell them that there. But for now, what I would do is I would put in my own bonuses if they get certified, and tell them to send me a receipt that they joined, and then I'll give them these bonuses. So that, first of all, you get the bonuses that come with OfferLab. Let's make it simple. Put my logo there. Let's say we did all that. We're going to save it. Now, the last thing you do before we go here, pull up your link, move that out the way. See that copy link? That's your affiliate link. Bang, where is it? Right there. Add it into each button. Let's move this out the way. See how that there? Okay, so that button is fixed. Let's go back up here. There. Oh, are both of these fixed? No. And it'll tell you if there's any errors when you go to submit it or when you go to save it. So did we get all the buttons? You give the offer stack, add your offer stack if you want to. Let's go ahead and then put your logo and stuff in. But let's say we are done. Also, make sure you check your mobile version. So we can do this. We can optimize it. So what I do is I am going to make that desktop only. See how it says desktop only? Save it. Then when you go to the mobile version, see? Bam. 8 power plays. I also tell them to, if you don't see it, check your spam. But for now, I'm just going to leave that like it is, because I only made the first one, the rocking one, for the desktop version. This one is for the mobile version. So we want to go into settings and set it for just mobile, or it'll also show on the desktop. So that one is mobile version only. See how it says mobile only? Bam. Save it. Bam. So I'm going to change it to, let's say that. Okay, so now you got that. Your buttons work. This is what you get with the certification. Explain it in those little lower, these boxes, and then a button. And it's all set to go there. And then, of course, your logo, all that stuff will be in there. But let's just say it's done. And we are going to check the live version. Great. You put your video here. Let's check it. That's right there. Blam. Certification. Let's make sure the buttons go where they need to go. Great. That's what it needs to do. Okay, so let's go back to the original page of the funnel. And we're going to test it. Preview the whole funnel. So this is what it looks like. It's going to take you to the enter your stuff, test purchase, blah, blah, blah. Put your phone number in. Just you want to test and make sure everything works. It does. Then you're going to give a video about why the offer lab, or your offer, or the offer that you're putting them in, why it's beneficial to them, why it mattered to you, to promote it, all those things that give emotion. So add that, add it to YouTube and upload it. So let's say they watched your video. Yes, they're interested. I want to join OfferLab. So they hit that, and great. The funnel works. Okay. So I wanted to do that for everybody. Create a funnel for your OfferLab promotion, or any other thing that you may be doing in affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, anything. A bridge page is for that. If you want any more coaching or setting up of your bridge page, ClickFunnels is offering 90 days, 3 months of ClickFunnels for only $97. It's usually $97 a month, but they're going to give you 90 days to get your funnel up and generating income. If you get set up with ClickFunnels, which I'll leave the link in the comments, if you get it set up with ClickFunnels, I will give you free coaching for 30 days to help you get set up in the process. There are trainings, just so you know, that come with ClickFunnels, so you're never alone. They have a community also, but there's tons of training. Some of them I have purchased, some of them are just like list building secrets. So there's always a way to get help. They have a ClickFunnels community, which I do live stuff from. So they have trainings in the community. These are all free. Offer Lab community. This is an Offer Lab, I'm sorry. ClickFunnels. You do get a free training called One Funnel Away. 30 days, they will take you step by step on how to create and make things. But if you want, I am also offering free ClickFunnels coaching. So let's get back into ClickFunnels. And that's how you create a bridge page. Then Offer Lab bridge page right there. Once you're done doing it, make it active. Make sure you put your little thumbnail images so that when people pull it up in the search bar, they'll see that little image. Make sure you put those in there. And we want to make it live. Your funnel is now active to start generating leads. Quickly, I'm going to go over what happens when they put their information in and it submits. It goes right into your contact list. See all these contacts? So that's where that contact that you would be able to see them. There's more detailed information I can help you with how to tag it so that you can find all your leads. 70% of sales are made not on the front end, but on the back end. So you want to add your email workflows. And that's something that I'll probably do another video on how to create a workflow after they have gone to the certification program and don't purchase, because you can go to OfferLab and see if they purchased. If they didn't, you can have routine emails sent out and you can set up a workflow so that you can keep them engaged and keep in contact with them, because it's not about getting that first sale, it's about nurturing people to understand why they need it and giving them the support and assistance they need to make a buying decision. So that's why you would add workflows. So that's all I got for now. Check back with me for the email automations that you would do for a bridge page. I hope this helps. Click the link in the comments if you want a free trial to OfferLab, and I'll give you my bonuses, which is 30 days of free coaching to help you make sure you get it set up and that you start making money within the 90 days that you get for $97. Bye-bye.